Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 22/9/2022 and the time is 9:30. Uh, Again, pranam to market for respecting our timing and numbers. Yesterday in my PPT, I clearly mentioned that first 10 o'clock to 10:10 will be the very important time. And market topped out after, it was a gap down and exactly it went up and market topped out exactly at 10 o'clock. 10 to 10:05 timing, it topped out. And I gave the second timing, which is 12:10. Exactly came down 12:10, market made the bottom. And from there again it went up and touched the exact Nifty futures convergence number, which we talked about yesterday. 17,744 to 17,745. Only one number difference. Only one number difference. That's a convergence number. And Nifty number is 17,716 and Bank Nifty number is 40,872. And today, Bank Nifty future took the exact support at 40,410. It came all the way. 40,413 was the low. 40,410 is the monthly bullish number for the whole September month. Whole September month. And you have this number from the beginning of the month. From the beginning of the month. So it was a gap down opening, came down badly, exactly came and touched that number. And from there, the time and the price combined with that number. And from there, what a phenomenal rally. Phenomenal rally. And we exited everything at the top because it is not able to cross above 17,716 and it is not, Nifty future is not able to cross above 17,744 to 45. So we exited off of the position there itself. And in the last timing, which I gave, I think it was 240 to 245 timing. I will show you everything. We offloaded everything and then we closed our shutters today. It was an amazing day on the number front. And all these numbers is there with you in the yesterday video also. Or if you go back and see the importance of these numbers, I am giving you this number for very, very long time, which we derive from the expiry itself. Why 17,716 is a mega number for Nifty for this month? Because it is the expiry bullish number. It is the expiry bullish number. And today market took the exact support. Nifty 17,576, which was our pivot number for the week and which was the yearly number for Nifty. Yearly number. This one number holds for the whole year. Above this number is bullish, below this number is bearish. That's all, only one number. You don't need anything more than that. You don't need anything more than that. Stop loss 54 points. Buy at 17,576, stop loss 54 points. If it close below, exactly come and sell at 17,556, stop loss 54 points. Game over. And what a miracle day today. What a miracle day today. Anyway, I don't want to go to my WhatsApp group to show all that to you. Today, I want to go to my Telegram followers because today I crossed my important milestone in my Telegram followers list. Today it crossed 360 and one new member joined today. It is 361. So for me, 360 is what is a very, very important number for me because it's a cycle, it's a circle, all that comes into 360 degree. So I want to go to Telegram members and first of all, I want to thank all the Telegram members for trusting me. And today, many people traded on my timing, and then everybody rocked. Everybody rocked. So the foremost, thankful to you all people to respect my numbers and timings. And touchwood, God gave some money to you. So respecting, I'll try my best to do webinars for you. So thanks a lot for you guys. And I don't want to talk about my subscribers because they are already in my blood. So I don't need to talk about my subscribers. So first of all, thanks to Telegram members. Now let's go and see how we rocked today. Okay, so now, let's go to my PPT first. Okay, so this is for tomorrow. We'll go to yesterday. Okay, So I already talked about what is the importance of convergence number. What is the importance of convergence number? What I told you yesterday, above this number is bullish, stop loss 17,743. Below this number is bearish, stop loss 17,757. This is what I told yesterday. Because whenever the number converges to the core, the stop loss is very small, but the profit is abnormal. But everything was collapsed today because it was a gap down. So market went down and exactly took the support and came and touched exactly to this number. And it is not even went and touched this number. Hardly 15 points, no, not even 15 points, 14 points. Not able to cross. That is the power of this number. That's the power of convergence number. Okay, so this is what it is. And if you go to anyway, it is not able to close above this. I will come to that later. And if you go to our monthly number, so this is our expiry number for Nifty 17,760. And if you go to our bullish number for Bank Nifty futures is 40,410. Above this number bullish, below this number is bearish for the whole month. Exactly market came and touched this number, and from there it went roughly around 600 points. See how that one number is doing all the miracle. And these numbers literally rock today. Literally. See, you don't need to use all these numbers. Simply only this two number for the whole week. Enough. Enough. For this week, this is the number. Over. What a phenomenal move from this level from Nifty. Amazing to watch all this. Seriously, amazing to watch all this. Anyway, market, Bank Nifty went down, took the exact support and went and touched, future touched this number. It is not able to again move up. We closed all our future contracts at 40,836 and 40,872 is the very important number for Bank Nifty spot. So we exited there, and if you go and see, all that numbers are here. What happened today? Exactly, it came and touched this number. And from there, it took the ulta. It went up, crossed all these numbers and went and touched this number. So we exited here because this is our selling number for today. Market open, gap down. See, I never write on what Dow Jones close or Dow Jones open and all that. I don't write. I write one day before and where Nifty closed or Bank Nifty closed. From there only I will start my writing. It is not based on what Singapore Nifty is doing at 10:30. No, I trade in Dow Jones. That's a different issue altogether. But I write my PPT based on where Nifty and Bank Nifty close. So this was our sell number, but it has not given the opportunity to sell at this number. It was a gap down. Exactly went and touched this number, and from there it took the ulta. It came and touched this number, and we exited everything at 40,872. And if you go here, exactly it came down, opened, went up, not able to touch this number, came down, touched this number. This was the miracle number for the year, 17,576. Went exactly and touched this number, 17,776. 17,716. We exited everything because that is our selling number for today. That is our selling number for today. That is why we exited everything here. 50% of the quantity we exit everything here, and we are able to buy at the exact bottom. We are just waiting for the confirmation from Ichimoku. Once we got the confirmation from Ichimoku, we went like mad, and fortune signals literally rocked in 1 minute time frame, because every weekly expiry or monthly expiry we use fortune signals in 1 minute. That 1 minute is enough for us to capture the trend. 1 minute is enough. And today Adani we bought at the exact bottom, and it gave roughly around 100 rupees. We sold it at 75 rupees. And in the closing, we offloaded everything. We have zero position now. We have zero position now. Our Coal India stop loss got hit. We booked the loss. So we closed everything. We don't hold any single position because tomorrow is the very, very important day for Bank Nifty, which I already explained why it is important in my weekly forecast video. Kindly go back and see why I said tomorrow is the, apart from the yearly date, apart from equinox date, all that is secondary. Why That date is very, very crucial for tomorrow, especially Bank Nifty. Especially Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And Dow collapsed yesterday on 21st, which was the miracle day for, yearly date for Dow Jones. Game over. What a collapse. See, FOMC meeting converged. That's all. Market waiting for the day. And it happened on 21st. It happened on 21st. I really rocked today, yesterday night. Yesterday night, I really locked in US 30. So, because you need to trade only on the trend change rate to make money. That's more than enough. That's more than enough. So I normally trade a big quantity in on trend change date in Dow Jones, enough for the day, right? So now we will go and see all these numbers what we discussed. 40,410, which was the monthly bullish number for Bank Nifty future. 17,716, and this number I was talking about long time when the expiry started. When the expiry started, this one number is enough. Even in yesterday video also, I said the same thing. And exactly market closed exactly at 17,716 yesterday. And again today they brought the market to 17,716 only. Because that is yesterday itself, I clearly mentioned this is a big player numbers. They play on that number, a specific number they play. And we are able to identify these numbers 1 month before the expiry started. Before the expiry started. What a miracle today. So we'll go and see our Telegram channel. Okay, so back to go to the Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. So already I gave the timing. I will show it to you. And the second combo time is 12:05 to 12:15. 12:05 to 12:15. 10 minutes candle. 10 minutes candle. Okay. And the last timing came at, I asked whether the timing rocked. Everybody said yes. I said cover off at the bottom because we went short in the morning. So we covered off at the bottom, waited for the confirmation from Ichimoku. When the Ichimoku gave the confirmation, we completely went long at 12:39. First confirmation came and waiting for this number, and where Nifty was consolidating at that timing for a long time. More than 7 candles were consolidating only on that time. Once the confirmation came on Ichimoku, we literally rocked. And the bounce which came in Bank Nifty future at 40,410, it came exactly, touched that and bounced 100 points in a second. In a second, it went up like mad because it is the powerful number for the month. That's a powerful number for the month. And we made some money in Pizza also, but we closed it. We don't want to take any position because Nifty is closed at a very bad position. So that's why we don't want to take any position home. Let's see tomorrow. Based on 907 number or whatever, we will definitely take the call. So that's what I mentioned. Telegram numbers, people rocked and all that. Asian Paints rocked. Adani worked like a magic. We made 75 increase in that Adani. And the last timing for the day, 235 to 240. 235 to 240. Make or break at this timing. Make or break at this timing. So it was a phenomenal day. So now let's go and see the graph. So this is Bank Nifty future. The Bank Nifty future number, monthly bullish number is 40,410. 40,410. See the bounce it came. See the bounce. When it came and touched this number, see how the bounce it happened. And you have this number from the month beginning. But we didn't go long here. We waited for the confirmation to go long here. We waited for the confirmation to go long here and then we rocked. And then we literally rocked. Okay, so now let's go to Nifty. Okay, so this is our Nifty futures. This is our Nifty future. Yesterday I gave a timing in my PPT itself, 10 o'clock to watch out for, and exactly market made the top at 10 o'clock. And from there it started coming down. This was our timing. None of the candle closed below. None of the candle closed below this candle low. Below this candle low, and it was consolidating for more than 7 minutes. Once Ichimoku gave the signal, we bought. And our fortune signals gave a phenomenal thumbs up to this. And see where it made the exact high, 17,740, which is nothing but our convergence number. And it is not able to break 17,757. That is the power of that number, 17,757. In case it would have gone above this number, we would have held our long. But see how market respect that number exactly. And this is what I discussed in my yesterday's video. And we exited everything here. And apart from this, this line is our fortune signals 15 minutes, resistance. That our fortune signals knows very well how to do it. So exactly here, so we exited off and we exited remaining here because it is not able to close above this candle eye, which is the last timing for the day. So we exited everything. See how number works. Do you think whether I put any indicator here? No indicator. We don't need indicator to trade. We don't need RSI. We don't need MACD. We don't need anything. We don't need anything. But I given my fortune signals to my people to make the emotion-free trading. Because if they sell here, they should not get panic on this candle which comes in green. So they will never get panic even if you see 30 points, 40 points move a green candle. Because our fortune signals will be in red only. It knows when to turn. And we use our timing and the number. And this now, what do you think about this number? This number is nothing but it is already there in the PPT. What is our, the weekly magical number, the bearish number for the week. And it held that number. It held that number. And you have this number on the weekly. When the weekly started, you will get this number at 9:18 a.m. I will flash it in my Telegram in my group. And it is there. You can go and check. So this is how we work on numbers. We don't need any indicator to trade a market. Okay, and see how beautifully market works. It is not able to cross this number. It was a gap down, came down all the way, went and touched the exact 17,760. It is not able to close above this number even for 15 minutes. Even for 15 minutes. This is what their expiry number, and that is where market closed yesterday. And that is where it is not able to close above that number. And we have this number very well with us. Chalo, everything rocked today. Everything rocked. Touch would pranam to market for respecting all that. Chalo, now next go to tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, before taking tomorrow, we have nearly 9 trend change date counters for tomorrow. It's a long list. It's a long list. Whichever your favorite, kindly take it and trade. Kindly take it and trade. So Indalco, IOC, LIC Housing Finance, Marico, Motherson Sumi, MRF, PEL, PEL, Federal Bank, and Naukri. Okay. In this, which is powerful, this blue color date counters are very powerful when compared to this color. I have marked it in a color for a reason. I marked it in a color for a reason. That's all. Okay. But always this blue color line numbers are, stocks are very powerful than these counters. And tomorrow we will not trade in any of this counter. We will not trade in any of this counter tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to concentrate only on Bank Nifty, and we have a live trading tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Most probably we'll be doing the live trading tomorrow for first 2 hours on Bank Nifty. So we are not going to concentrate any of this stock because we will mark the high and low of tomorrow. Then we will try to trade on the next day. Again, 24th is Kotak Bank, 24th is BPCL, 24th is HDFC Bank, and there are many. I will add tomorrow. The sheet will be added tomorrow. Okay, so there are more counters on 24th also. So tomorrow we have more than 9 counters in trend change. Okay, so these are all the updates of the previous dates. All today's closing. current market price closing, all current market price closing, because every day I update for my followers. Every day I update for my followers. Okay. So this is for the number for tomorrow. This is for the number for tomorrow. So kindly note it down. I know many Telegram people use these numbers with the combination of my time, and they really rock. And I get those messages from them. Thank God. See, it is not what I am doing anything here. I am giving the number, but you are trading on that number with the conviction, and market is rewarding you. So I need to say thanks to you rather than you say thanks to me. Okay, it is your hard earned effort to take that call, and you are making money, and it is your money and you are making it. So say thanks to market, no thanks to me. Thanks. Okay, so now let's go to bank nifty. So unless and until if this is not taken out on a closing basis for this week, this number is valid only till tomorrow. For this week it is bearish, number one. Number two, possibility of taking a support is here in case tomorrow, if this is only future, this is future, and this is spot. This is the weekly number. This is the weekly number. Okay. So possibility that it may take a support here. Okay. And the resistance are here. And this is also become a resistance today. So tomorrow you can watch one number, on the higher side, second number, on the lower side, this number also will act as a resistance tomorrow. So bank nifty is a little bit okay because two numbers are still in green. But if you go to nifty, all in bearish. All in bearish. So that is why we don't want to take any push in hope. And tomorrow, based on bank nifty important date, we will try to trade bank nifty tomorrow. Up or down 15 minutes high and low will be the key. So we'll try to trade bank nifty tomorrow. Okay, so that's how this is the number for tomorrow. And okay, Coal India stop loss sheet. Okay, so yesterday was the mega day for Dow Jones. Kindly go back and watch my video on Dow Jones. Clearly mentioned this date 1 week before itself. You can go back and watch my video on Dow Jones. And it started falling. The one number which has to hold Dow Jones is this number, 29918. 29918 is the number which I am looking out for tomorrow. Maybe I can do this. We can take this one also. Okay, take this number, 29919. Because if I add, it should come to 9993. 369 is my number, so it should come to this number. It was actually a little paisa dollar difference there. So it is actually 18.34 something. So now I made it as a 19. So 29919 for Dow Jones. Okay, spot. Now weekly expiry 30 minutes, high and low worked like a magic in Bank Nifty, especially the exact high made today in Bank Nifty is 30 minutes high. From there, it came down badly and took the support at our timing and the number, and it will drop. No need of option strategies to trade, Bank Nifty and Nifty on expiry date. And we have our fortune signals to trade and capture. Today, we captured 900 points in Bank Nifty in intraday in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this timing really rocked, and I gave this yesterday in my BBD. Yesterday in my BBD worked like a magic. Exact I made here. Exact I made here. Right. So now, anyway, the mega number, yesterday Nifty number converged, but it was a gap down. It has not given us an opportunity to enter because of a gap down, but we are able to exit at the top. We are able to go short at the top, cover at the bottom, and we exit at the top. So that happened. So thanks to market for respecting our number and my timing. Okay, so chalo, till it holds this number, 17,576. 17,576. Okay, so nothing. This number is here. You don't need to search anywhere. This is our number. This is our number, 17,576 for the week. For the week, and 40,267. It does not come to that level. It came very, very close. Watch out for tomorrow in case if it comes to that number. If it holds this number, If it holds this number, possibility of touching this number before expiry is very, very much visible. Very much visible. Break this number, it will go and touch this number, 39,894. 39,894. Watch out for this number. Okay. And people, those who are following me, they know the importance of this number. Okay. They know the importance of this number. So that's all for now. And nothing more to add. That's all. So watch out for numbers tomorrow. We have 907 number and we are going to trade tomorrow in Bank Nifty. First time live with my lovable friends. Fingers crossed. Let's see how market is going to cooperate with us tomorrow. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decisions. And tomorrow, many people talking about IOC. It's very, very simple. Below 72, it is weak for this month. And just wait for a day. Just wait for a day, because in fortune signals, it has broken the red color line in weekly. In case if it holds tomorrow's low, then the bottom is done for IOC. But you need to wait for a day. Kindly wait for a day, and tomorrow is the trend change. So if you take the call there, then the stop loss is not more than 1 rupee. If God is with you, then it's going to be a miracle for you. So wait for a day. And it has already broken our red color line on the weekly expiry. People, those who are on the weekly time frame, people, those who know about fortune signals, they know all about this. Okay, chalo, thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Good night.